This is your gaming PC. You use it for Steam. You use it for Discord. You download PDF menus. Every file you download is a risk.
Every game mod. Every browser extension. Info stealers like RedLine hide in these files. They wait for you to log into your bank.
You don't need a better antivirus. You need a dedicated device. A clean room for your money. Buy a cheap Chromebook. Or wipe an old laptop. Install nothing but your wallet. Turn it on to trade. Turn it off when you're done. No email. No YouTube. No risks. Banks don't let tellers play Call of Duty on the Vault computer. Why do you? Separate your fun from your funds. Keep your gaming rig dirty. Keep your banking rig clean.
A $200 laptop is the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. Stay isolated with TradingMaster.